Oh, brother. If you've been watching my videos, and I hope you have, you will know that it's time for me to clean some more of these Mexican slate floor tiles. Well, they're clay tiles. See how dark these grout lines are? They're not supposed to be like that. This is 25 years, maybe 30 years old, never been cleaned. Look how it's supposed to look like. I did this last time I was here, and I'm back here in Marin helping my friend out. It's mid-February, and I want to get this project done. Now see, last time I was here, see, I did this whole floor area here. I cleaned all that, and I put 2 coats of sealer on there. Doesn't that look nice compared to this right here? See that? Okay, look at the difference. Look at that. It looks like they used some different grout on there or something, huh? Because the grout lines don't even match. That's how dirty it was. So I'm going to use my good old Homer's bucket here from Home Depot, and I'm going to use my simple green. I use that for everything. I've got some cleaning tools in here. I'll show you that later. Okay, but the main thing is I wanted you to see that you can get it done like this too. Now, I didn't really show you anything on this floor. I did show you a little bit on how to install some floor sealer with a roller, a paint roller. And remember, I did this floor and I was saying what not to do. Do you remember once it dried? See the little droplets on here? I don't know if you can see that or not. It's kind of hard, but throughout this floor, there's little droplets. So when the sealer dried, it dried up in small little dots, and then it stayed. I thought it was going to blend in, but it didn't. Now see, this floor out here is not like that, is it? You see out here? This floor, no droplets on here at all. Okay, that's because I did this different, and I'll explain that after a bit. But I'm even, I saw the same Mexican tile is outside here, right as you come into the front door. Look how dirty these are. Now, I'm going to clean that too. I'm going to surprise her and do that. And now I'm going to put 2 coats of sealer out here as well. It's not going to be that slippery. If you have a question about it and you're concerned that somebody's going to slip and fall or something, maybe just clean your tiles and put 1 coat of sealer on there and let it kind of soak into the tiles or something. Or no sealer at all. Just clean it. You can do whatever you want. But wow, look at this floor. Doesn't this look good? And, I was really hoping not to make any more of this video because I was just going to roll this on just like the other. And I'm glad I did this little bathroom first. If you got a small little bathroom area, before you seal your floors, maybe try one little section first to make sure you don't get those droplets in there like that. And as it's drying, I've never had that problem before. And see, I've got the same thing in here going out into the garage. See the little droplets on here? And so I did that little area here, and I did the bathroom. And I thought, dabbity nabbit, what's going on here? Really didn't like the fact that it was doing that, and I thought, okay, what am I going to do? Well, it gives me the opportunity to do what? To make more videos and show you how I'm going to get this floor sealed. Now this time, I'm not going to use a paint roller on this. I'm going to use something else, and you may laugh, but as I'm going through it, I'll show you what I had to do because I didn't have any other idea of how to install this floor sealer. And speaking of floor sealers, this is what I used right here. Homax Gloss Wet Look Cure Seal. And that's supposed to be gloss. And I've got 2 coats on here, right here, and she actually wanted it glossier than this. This came out looking really good. Okay, now this sealer only costs like $20 a gallon. You can get sealer all the way up to like $100 a gallon. And maybe you put it on differently. I use this. I have good experience with this. I've sealed lots of showers and natural stone floors, but never a smooth floor like this. Okay, so it makes a difference how you apply the sealer. When you get sealer at the store, make sure you know what sort of applicator you're going to do. Are you going to sponge it on? Are you going to roll it on? What kind of roller cover to get? You got to get something special, and it might depend what kind of sealer you use, because the last thing you want to do is put all your sealer on a smooth floor such as this. This is what I call a Mexican clay tile. See how smooth they are? You know, if you have ceramic tiles or if you have travertine, you might get into a situation where it depends a good deal on what type of applicator, paint roller you put on, you use, and that kind of thing. The last thing you want to do is use the wrong one and then start getting little droplets on there. Okay? Hey, so if you want to find out how I installed this and applied it to the floor, stick around. Speaking of this floor tile cleaning and sealing project, could you have somebody else do it for you? Well, yeah, you could, but look how big this area is. Here's the kitchenette area, and then you've got the kitchen area. You've got this whole hall area, the bathroom done right here outside that door and out into the little area going out into the garage. Now, if you had somebody else do this, yeah, I don't know how much they're going to charge you. $500, $600, $700, $800, maybe $1,000 for this project. And why do that when you can do it yourself? Spend a little bit of time on it. You don't have to do it all in one go. Because see, I did the bathroom and the little room out here, you know, where the washer and dryer is, just outside right before you get out into the garage. I did those as one little mini project. Then I came out here in the front and I did this all by the front door and the main hallway and all that. Okay, I went just up to that door there. That was another project. Now I'm going to tackle this little dinette area and the kitchen area. There's another project. You don't have to do all this in one go or over a weekend and think, oh, I've got to work day and night on here, and how am I going to get it sealed, and how long is it going to take to dry, and all that kind of stuff. Just do small little snippets, and you know what? You can get it done on your own, and you can save a lot of money that way. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.